Now, I want to tell you a true story. This is about my furnace. This was about 3 years ago. I was having all my regular maintenance done. The HVAC guy came and he was doing the furnace cleanup and the AC and all that. And he said, "Hey, I want to let you know I was working on your furnace and you're looking a little old. Or looks like there might be some stress fractures starting to happen and things like that. And so I'm going to guess that you'll probably need a new furnace. It might be this year, might be in a few years, whatever it might be." And I said, "Okay, so how much would that be?" And he said, "If I just replaced the part, it could be as much as $3,000. If I replace the whole thing, it could be $3,000 or $4,000. But he gave me an estimate for replacing just what he saw, which is not necessarily comprehensive, for $3,300. So I freaked out and I went online and I said, "Is that a legitimate number? Having never replaced, parts in a furnace before, is that reasonable even?" And I found out it is. In fact, a lot of people spend $6,000, $7,000. A number of homes have multiple furnaces, which I didn't know either. I said, "Wow, that's a lot. I'm going to either have to start saving up. This thing could go out in the next few months or next few years." And that's really where I came across the idea of the home warranty. And so that's where I really did my research, and I'm going to share that with you.